सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः। गतासु कक्षासु अस्माभिः त्रयोविंशतितमः पाठपर्यन्तम् अध्ययनं विहितम्। अधुना चतुर्विंशतितमः पाठः तं पठामः। अस्मिन् पाठे मया यथा पूर्वोक्तं यत् अत्र अनेकानां प्रत्ययानां विचारः कृतः वर्तते। यथा विस्तरेण अस्माभिः पाणिनीयव्याकरणकक्षासु अस्माभिः विहितमासीत् कृदन्तप्रत्ययानां विचारः। तत्र क्त प्रत्ययः, क्तवतु प्रत्ययः, तुमून् प्रत्ययः, त्वा प्रत्ययः, ल्यप् प्रत्ययः, शत्रु शाणच् प्रत्ययः इत्यादीनां विचारः विहितः आसीत् पूर्वमेव। तस्यैव संक्षेपेण एकस्मिन् पाठे अस्य विचारः कृतः वर्तते। तत् अधुना अन्वसरामः। लेसन 24th. Some of the more important verbal derivatives. Verbal derivatives we are going to see. The past passive participle is formed by adding the to the root. Basically, the will be added to the root and we will get ultimate form. But there are many rules. To know those rules again, we have to go back to those videos like we had special lectures on kta pratyaya, tavatu pratyaya. The almost we had seen 14 pratyayas in that series. That is one thing. Another thing is there is one more book. It's called Rachananuvada Kaumudi. If it works, if time suits, we will take up that another book also. So let's finish this one, then we will think about that. Shutaha Kta Pratyantam Rupam. So basically there are many rules actually. Not only the will be added to root, there we need to think about even guna, etc. Vriddhi, etc. of root. And if it is set, then E will be added in between like a Patha Dhatu, E will be added, then Ta Pratyaya will be added, Pathita. Gama, it is not a neat, it is aneat, so Gatah. Somewhere E will be added, somewhere it will not. But the basic thing is Ta will be added to the root. That is the basic rule. So along with that, we will get the form Stru plus Ta, Shruta, heard, that which is heard. Okay. Similarly, Tumun Pratyay, if you want to do, again the infinitive of purpose is formed by adding tum pratyaya to the root. So like a shu dhatu, tum pratyaya will be added. Before adding tum pratyaya, the ukaranta dhatu, ukaranta root will get guna. So shru will change into shro. Then tum will be added, shrotum for hearing. The tumun pratyaya shows the purpose of action. Aham shrotum gacchami. I go for hearing purpose. Like that. So tumun pratyaya finish, sta pratyaya finish. Now let's move to next one. The indeclinable past participle or the absolutive is formed by adding tva pratyaya to the root. So basically tva pratyaya shows that if the one subject is performing many actions and to show finished action, there we can use tva pratyaya. एकः एव कर्ता क्रियाद्वयम् अथवा अनेकाः क्रियाः करोति याः याः क्रियाः समाप्तिं गताः ताः क्रियाः दर्शयितुं त्वा प्रत्ययस्य उपयोगो भवति। इति यथा उदाहरणं किं श्रु इति धातु साक्षात् त्वा इति उपयोक्तुं शक्यते तस्य अर्थः भवति हैविंग हर्ड। तथैव यत्र कुत्रापि गत्वा नत्वा भुक्त्वा इत्यादिकं शक्यते। Ya takes place of twa when a preposition is prefixed to the root. So basically, if the root is prefixed by preposition, that time we cannot use twa pratyaya. Rather than using twa, we can use lyap pratyaya. सो दैट इज यहाँ जो य बताया गया है उसका अर्थ है लेप प्रत्यय. तो बेसिकली भू इत्यस्य भूत्वा इति त्वा प्रत्ययान्तं रूपम. यदि भू धातुः अणु उपसर्गेण अथवा केनापि उपसर्गेण युक्तः अस्ति तत्र त्वा इत्यस्य प्रयोगः न शक्यते. तत्र ल्यप् प्रत्ययस्य उपयोगो भवति यस्य यकारः अवशिष्यते अनुभूय हैविंग एक्सपीरियंस. The is prefixed to this year when the root ends in the short vowel. So basically, kru is a short vowel and anu is added to the kru. So before adding lyap pratyaya, ta will come automatically. So anukritya, svikritya, ityadikam rupam bhavishyati. That was one thing. Now next. Before all these terminations except some roots take the augments e. So basically idagama will happen in between whenever it is required. As a general rule, however, root ending in the short vowels do not take it. There are some other modifications which is the root undergo, which are too various to be noticed here. So this is given in very brief and you will go here and there. You will not understand. So basic thing is directly go to those videos or just find the book Rachana Anuvad Kaumadi and go through those sections. To form the present participle, basically Shatru and Shanach Pratyayanta regarding that, the conjugational sign is first affixed to the root. Basically, if you are making the Shatru Pratyayanta form, you will follow Parasmayapadi Kriyapadas. If Parasmayapadi Kriyapada belongs to Bhvadigana, Avikaran will be added. If it belongs to fourth conjugation, Yakara will be added. Sixth conjugation, again Akara will be added. And if belongs to 10th conjugation, then Aya will be added. So they are saying before adding Shatru Pratyaya or continuous tense, you need to think about Vikarana also. That is thing. So to form the present participle, the conjugational sign, so akara, yakara, aya, ityadi vikarana, is first affixed to the root and then termination at. Basically at means शत्रु इसमें से at अवशिष्ट रहता है, is added on to it when the root takes parasmaypada terminations. What about shanach pratyaya and mana will be added when it takes atmanipada terminations. Ana, however, takes the place of mana when the base does not end in a. Now, where to add ana, where to add mana? Basically, shatru pratyaya will be added to the parasmayapadi roots. That is a common thing. Second common thing is shanach pratyaya will be added to the atmanipadi roots. Okay, like a vanda is a atmanipadi only. Vandate, sevate, shankase इत्यादिकम. तत्र शानच प्रत्यय विल कम. शानच में अवशिष्ट क्या रहता है? आन या मान. ओके, तो वेयर टू एड मान, वेयर टू एड आन, द बेसिक क्वेश्चन. So basically again you know the conjugational terminations like akar, yakar, aya ityadi vikarani you know. So basically even in atmanepada, if dhatu belongs to bhvadigana, tudadigana, divadigana and churadigana, along with those dhatus you can add man like a vandamana, sevamana, mriyamana. There everywhere you will add mana, mana, mana. And where to add ana? Again, a simple thing is what you have to do. You have to identify kriya padas like before adding ti tah anti. Before adding ti, if you see any another vowel rather than a, like a karoti, here before that t, what is there? O is there. So you will add ana pratyaya kurvana. So that is one thing to identify how to use ana and mana thing. Again, the videos are pramana for that. Okay. This is done. Passive present participles are formed by adding mana pratyaya again. Same. So kurvanah, kriyamanah, that way it will be made. Now they have given only list of kta pratyanta form. List of passive participles of several roots. Asa dhatu, to throw. Asyati is the dhatu. Kta pratyanta rupam will be, passive participle will be asta. And even if you want to make into active participle, active past participle, you will just add tavatu pratyaya. Tavatu means what? अस्त के साथ साथ वत जोड़ दो. अस्तवान, अस्तवंतौ, अस्तवंतः अथवा अस्तवती इति स्त्रीलिंग. आप धातो हो टू ऑप्टेन इति अर्थे आप्तः इति भवति. ऑप्टेन्ड. This is the kta pratyanta rupam. Tavatu will be aptavan, aptavati iti. Come, to desire, to love. Kantah, desired, loved. तस्यैव क्तवतु प्रत्ययः कः? कान्तवान्, कान्तवती इति. कृश धातोः कृष्टः. भवन्तः अधुना क्तवतु प्रत्ययं मनसि स्थापयितुं शक्नुवन्ति. क्रमधातोः क्रान्तः, कृद् धातोः क्रुद्धः, क्रुद्धवान्, क्रुद्धवती वगैरह वो भी बना सकते हैं. क्लम धातोः क्लान्तः, तस्य क्तवतु अपि शक्यते क्लान्तवान् इति. क्षम धातोः क्षान्तः, क्षुभ धातोः क्षुब्धः, खन धातोः खातः, गम धातोः गतः, गुह धातोः गूढः. एते शब्दाः क्तप्रत्ययान्तरूपाणि अपि पुल्लिङ्गे अपि शक्यन्ते, स्त्रीलिङ्गे अपि शक्यन्ते, नपुंसकलिङ्गे अपि शक्यन्ते. यथा अस्तः, अस्तौ, अस्ताः पुल्लिङ्गे रामवत्. तस्यैव स्त्रीलिङ्गं करणीयं चेत् आकारं योजयित्वा रमा रमे रमाः तद्वत् तथा तद्वत् अस्ता अस्ते अस्ताः, आप्ता आप्ते आप्ताः, कान्ता कान्ते कान्ताः, गता गते गताः इत्यादिकं भवति. जन इत्यस्य जातः, तुष इत्यस्य तुष्टः, त्यज इत्यस्य त्यक्तः, दह इत्यस्य दग्धः, दिश दिष्टः, दुष दुष्टः, दृश दृष्टः, धा हीतः हितः, दृश दृश इत्यस्य दृष्टः. दृष्ट मीन्स व्हाट? प्राउड ऑफ. अग्रिमः नम इत्यस्य नतः. ओके. नश इत्यस्य नष्टः, पच इत्यस्य पक्वः. पक्व इति विशिष्टं रूपं, एतत् स्मरन्तु. पच इत्यस्य पक्व, पक्तः इत्यादिकं न भवति, पक्व इति भवति. पदधातोः पन्नः, आपन्नः, सम्पन्नः यद् भवति खलु तद् अनेन एव साधितं. पुष्टः, पुषधातोः. प्रच्छधातोः पृष्टः. बन्धधातोः बद्धः. भजधातोः भक्तः. भुजधातोः भुक्.
Sorry, Avinash, I'm little confused about which pratyaya this is.
This is kta pratyaya, passive participle. Kta
This is like past passive participle or
passive participles. They have given
past
past passive participles. Even you
because
can.
it doesn't say it has been done or it has been heard like that, but it says to enter like
They are
tumun pratyaya.
They are giving main root and then they are providing meaning.
I see.
But when
Okay.
it becomes the ultimate, you will say nourished, asked, bound, worshipped, eaten, enjoyed, like that. Thought,
Okay.
hmm, like that.
Thank you for the clarification.
Huh. Okay. Next is manyate. Manyate will become mataha, to be thought of. Hmm? Must, magnaha. Magnaha means nimajjonmajjaya Vivek Chudamani. There he used the masja to magnaha. Magnaha means one who is engaged, one who is plung is called magnaha. Much dhatuhu muktaha.
I don't see
Here I
on
am.
the screen. Oh, okay.
हाँ,
All right.
okay. मुह धातोः मूढः मुग्धः फुलिश मृ धातोः मृतः डाइड यज धातोः इष्टः वर्शिप्ड युज धातोः युक्तः जॉइंट इति तथैव रब धातोः रब्धः आरब्धः द वर्ड आरब्ध comes from this only started रम धातोः रतः रतः means again engaged or the sported played that way ruh रूढ़ः आरूढ़ः अवरूढ़ः so grew climbed आरूढ़ः climbed अवरूढ़ः again came down like that लब धातोः लब्धः obtained लुब धातोः कवेट लुब्धः कवेटेड वच धातोः उक्तः वद धातोः उदीतः टू स्पीक नेक्स्ट वप धातोः उक्तः सॉड सॉन ना सॉन सॉन होगा शायद पता नहीं और सॉड ईडी लगेगा या क्या लगेगा यन लगेगा
Yeah, I guess so. Sword.
सोड होगा अच्छा ईडी लगेगा ओके वह धातोः बियर इसका क्या होगा ऊडह
He bore with bore with it.
अच्छा कैरिड लेट्स से कैरिड विष धातोः एंटर्ड विष्टः प्रविष्टः आविष्टः वृत धातोः वृत्तः अनुवृत्तः लाइक दैट शंस धातोः शस्तः शम धातोः शान्तः श्लेष धातोः श्लिष्टः सह धातोः सोढः सृज धातोः सृष्टः स्पृश स्पृष्टः हन हतः so like these are past passive participles to make active past participles you just will add what like a hatavan for pullinga hatavati for strilinga that becomes active similarly sprushtavan सृष्टवान सोढ़वान श्लिष्टवान त प्रत्यय के साथ साथ आप वत लगा देंगे तो तवतु बन जाता है ओके सो लेट्स सी what is there next some words are given adjective akhila
Passive participles form, we have to just remember. There is no way we can understand how to make it. Like if any dhatu is coming in front of us
हाँ,
and we have to change it in
हाँ.
the passive participle, is any way?
There are many rules actually. So for advanced book, we are going to study is Rachananuvad Kaumudi. Here,
Okay.
one part to explain, to elaborate all the rules is not possible because in one lesson they have put like ta pratyaya, tavatu pratyaya, lyap pratyaya, tva pratyaya, shatru pratyaya, shanach pratyaya, and all these things. So that will be messed up. Let's
But there is rules.
ultimate form that would be good for this book at least. Then let's skip some part for another book. Okay. Akhilah, Akhila, Akhilam is an adjective all, whole for that. Abhishekah is a masculine coronation. अस् धातोः निरस्यति, निरस्यति means scattered. As means asyati means to throw, but when we add nir upasarga, it becomes nirasyati, to scattered. Vayuna मेघाः इतस्ततः भवन्ति निरस्यन्ति इति तात्पर्यम्. ऊटजः means hut. उद्यतः means ready, prepared इति. उपायः remedy. कारागृहः prison. कुंभकारः potter, pot maker actually ना, potter. कूपः a well. क्षेत्रम field. खन धातु we have already seen. खनति means to dig. उत्खनति मतलब again to dig, to excavate. Is that correct?
It's we pronounce it as excavate.
Okay, excavate. घटः jar. तूष्णीम silently. Nirdishati indicate, to indicate.
Avinash is Tushni is also like Trushna. Okay, Trushna is greedy.
That is different. धा इत्यस्य टू पुट टू बेयर इति अर्थः भवति. नि उपसर्गपूर्वकं निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवन्दनम् इति तर्कसङ्ग्रहस्य श्लोकः. निधाय नाम टू प्लेस, हैविंग प्लेस एक्चुअली. निधाय. ध्रु धातु उद्धरति टू सेव, टू रिलीज, टू लिफ्ट अप इति. विनयति टू एजुकेट. पंकजम शब्द you know. Pankam is mud. One who is born from pankaj is called pankaja, lotus. Pida, pain. Pratah means in the morning. Bhaj dhatu atmanepad bhajate, to resort to have recourse to. Pratibhashate to reply. Matihi intellect. Madah pride, arrogance. Moolam root or foot. Murchati to faint away, to soon. Yajniyah belonging to the sacrifice. Rajapurusha, a king's officer. Arohati to ascend, to climb. Ascend, climb. Pratinivartate to come back. Vrita dhatu is the main root. Prati plus ni are the upasarga. Pratinivartate iti rupam bhavati. Samartha is the adjective. Samartha, samartham, to be able, powerful. Sarpah, serpent. Samyak, well. Sarameyah, another word for dog. And riharati, pariharati means to remove, to dispel. Now, with this, we can go ahead with different pratyayas.
Generally, what is the word of dog?
For the word dog, sarameyah.
No, here we learned the new word, but generally when like
कुक्कुर,
Vidala is cat.
हाँ, श्वानः, कुक्कुरः, these are the words. Okay. Jalam patum nadim agachat.
To drink water, they agachat. He went to water. He went to the river.
So basically, tumun pratyay is used here. Patum नाम पा इत्यस्य पिबति इति तात्पर्यम्. पातुम तुम प्रत्यय कदा उपयुज्यते? To show the purpose of action, we use tumun pratyaya. So what was the purpose of going there, going nadi, river? Jalam patum is the purpose. So to show the purpose, tumun pratyay is being used. Jalam patum saha nadim agachat. He went to the river to have drink. कुंभकारेण घटः कृतः.
The pot was made by potter.
So here, whenever kta pratyanta roop comes, we have to remember the karmani prayoga, passive structure. So passive structure 3-1-1. Subject would be in tritiya vibhakti, karma will be in prathama vibhakti, and according to karma, we have to put even
Kriyapada.
kriya pada in the sense here kta pratyaya. So if karma padam is
But normally we use atmanepade a word by adding a ya to the karmani prayoga, like vandyate, like that.
correct. And here I mean kta pratyaya. We are not directly using kriya pada here. We are using the
Yeah.
derivatives from kriya pada.
But this is also karmani prayoga.
So whenever we use kta pratyanta forms, we need to follow the structure of
Karmani.
karmani prayoga.
So this is like these pratyaya, these words are atmanepada or parasmaipada.
These are words.
These
They
are words.
belong in like if dhatu belongs to parasmay pada, then the derivatives also belong. No, like that.
No, okay, got it.
शब्द बन जाता है ना, तो शब्द बनने के बाद ही द आत्मनेपदित्वम परस्मैपदित्वम उसका विचार नहीं करना.
Okay.
Another star is given, so the star is saying in sentence in which the part participle is thus used, the copula क्या होता है?
I have no idea. These words are all different now, I think, from 100 years ago.
वो क्या है पता नहीं. The copula asti is maybe supposed to be understand. See, maybe supposed to be understand. Okay. The thing is, whenever we are using kridanta forms like tha pratyanta forms, we need to add asti, bhavati. So kumbhakarena ghatah kritah asti अथवा कृतः आसीत्. Whatever, if our intention is to show अस्ति वर्तमान, आसीत् भूतकाल, and वर्तमान कृतः भविष्यति. कुंभकारेण कृतः घटः कृतः भविष्यति means कुंभकार will be making the pot that way. So asti need to be added, asti or asit or bhavishyati. That's it. Okay. Similarly, harina sarpah drishtah.
This is again karmani prayoga. By Hari, a snake was seen.
The snake was seen by Hari. Harina sarpah drishtah asti अथवा आसित, whatever. ग्रामं गन्तुम् इच्छामि.
I want to go to village.
सिंपल. ये पूरा पाठ सिंपल है क्योंकि हमने पहले पढ़ा है ना. जनानां पीडाः परिहर्तुम् ईश्वरः समर्थः अस्ति.
So, to remove the pain, difficulties of the people, Lord is very capable.
Capable, powerful.
Powerful. That's the word I was looking for. Lord is, yeah.
भार्यां त्यक्त्वा वनं गतः.
He went to forest to abandon his wife.
By abandoning, त्यक्त्वा having abandoned wife, he went to the
having abandoned his wife.
रामस्य पीडा नष्टा.
Rama's pain was removed.
नष्टा, perished. उपायश्चिन्तितः. उपायः चिन्तितः.
Upaya means remedy, right?
Hmm. Remedy, solution.
So
Remedy,
think about the remedy.
no, past
Or,
tense. So remedy.
or thought of thought of the remedy.
The remedy was thought of. तो कर्मणि है, कर्मणि जैसा बनाएंगे. The remedy is thought of. बेसिकली उपाय का चिंतन किया गया, उपाय चिंतित किया,
Mhm.
ऐसा. गृहं प्रविष्टः किंकरः. किंग
The servant entered the house.
शंबुकेन कथितां वार्तां श्रुत्वा रामः अमुह्यत्.
Yeah.
वदन्तु. सरलं वर्तते. रामः अमुह्यत्. राम was fainted by doing what? वार्तां श्रुत्वा, having heard the news. What news?
Story. You
शंबुकेन
heard the story?
कथितां श्रुत्वा रामो मुह्यत. The news which was told by Shambuka. Shambuka is a person, the name of the person. When
Okay.
he
I
Ram,
was confused about Shambhukena.
Shambuka is just a name. Basically, how the sentence will go?
The news or story. Kathitam Varta means story, right?
Having heard the story,
By Shambhuk.
which
The
was
Ram was fainted
the Rama was painted. Nadyaha tire chiram viritya. Okay. Here chiram means that chiram na. नद्याः तीरे चिरं विरुत्य ऊटजं निवृत्ता सीता.
The shore of the river, Uttajam Nivritta Sita.
विहरति. विहरति.
Oh, Viharati. Okay, so Sita having crossed the river, she took rest.
Okay. So नद्याः तीरे at the bank.
Chiram, for a short time, she took rest and then she got up.
विहृत्य मतलब विहार करके. Having wandered around the bank of river for a long time, then she निवृत्ता means came back. Pratinivartate, that is nivartate. Nivartate means to come back. Sita came back to the hut.
Hut, Uttajam is hut. Why do I get confused with camel? What is camel? Uttaja also.
Now vrishtraha. Vrishtraha means camel. Okay. So few more sentences we could do. Graham pravishya वो माता इति अपृच्छत्.
when
You see,
he entered in the house. Where is my mother?
So basically, whenever you see tva pratyaya or lep pratyaya, sentence should start with having. Having entered the house, tva mama mata, where is mother? Iti aprachat. Thus he asked. Having entered the house, where is my mother? Thus he asked. Lakshmyaha madena sprushtosi.
Lakshmya Madena Sprushtaha Asi?
Lakshmyaha madena. Visarga is dropped.
Lakshmyaha Madena. By the pride of Lakshmi, he was cleared.
You are touched with the arrogance of wealth.
Oh, with the wealth of Lakshmi.
लक्ष्म्याः मदेन. मद, arrogance. Intoxicate. You are intoxicated by Lakshmi. You are intoxicated by the touch of wealth. रामेण बहवः कूपाः तडागाश्च उत्खाताः.
Like many of well and tank are dug by Rama.
Dug by Rama. एवम् उक्तः हरिः ब्राह्मणाय धनम् अयच्छत्.
Having note, thus he told Hari, he thus told.
Thus spoke.
No, Hari told, and he gave the wealth to the Brahmanas.
एवम् उक्तः हरिः. Thus spoken Hari gave
Okay, thus spoken. Okay.
ब्राह्मण. अश्वम् आरोढुम् मतिर्जाता. मम अश्वम् आरोढुम् मतिर्जाता.
To climb the horse.
I thought I will go to climb the.
I got idea. I thought of climbing
The horse.
Basically, Matirjata means I got an idea or I wanted.
Like.
शत्रून् जित्वा नगरीं प्राविशत्.
Having conquered the enemies, they entered the city.
सखिभिः पृष्टा ललना अलज्जत्. सखिभिः पृष्टा ललना अलज्जत्.
Sakibhihi is by the
female
friends.
Asked her to be shy.
No. Let's say newly married girl. And when she returns back to her own father's house, now then her friends came there and they are asking, how is new house? Then she got little bit, alajjata. Alajjata means she feels shy. How to say, how is my husband? उसके बारे में आजकल की लड़कियां बोलती है, लेकिन जब पुराने जमाने, आपके जमाने के लोग जब पूछे जाते होंगे, पता नहीं. अभी we don't express such things. सखी भी पृष्ठा हालना. Definitely not अलज्जता. Okay, anyway.
Not at all, even today.
हाँ, आज के जमाने में नहीं कोई होता वैसा. क्लेशः सोढः सीतया. सीतया क्लेशः सोढः.
Sodaha means what? I forgot.
सहनं कृतः.
Huh?
तो सहनं कृतः.
Oh.
क्लेशानां.
Sita, by Sita, the pain was she